Hey folks, so yeah, I kind of screwed up. I put out the part one of the snorkeling at Tobermory and Laurel Creek, and when I obviously was going to do it in two parts, I uploaded the first part, and somehow after that I deleted everything in the second part as well. So yeah, I guess there won't be any part two. There'll just be episode number 10 coming up. And so I've done a few songs, and they'll speak for themselves. I'll let the performance speak for itself. Did it right here inside Sammy, and so yeah, it's turned out okay. If I can stand listening to it, then anybody can, I guess. But anyways, until next time, please enjoy, like, and subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, peace. All right, this one is just to say thank you, Willie. I hope you see this. If you had not had fallen, I'd never found you. Angel flying too close to the ground. And I patched up your broken wing around a while, trying to keep your spirits up and your fever down. Leave if you need to, I'll still remember. Angel flying too close to the ground. And I knew someday that you'd fly away. For love is the greatest healer that can be found. So leave if you need to, I'll still remember. Angel flying too close to the ground. So leave if you need to, I'll still remember. Angel flying too close to the ground. So leave if you need to, I'll still remember. Angel flying too close to the ground. We got a power surge there. Alright, it's a tribute to Willie, so let's give it another one. Grew up dreaming of being a cowboy and loving the cowboy way, pursuing a life of my high riding heroes that burned up my childhood days. Learned all the rules of modern day drifter. Don't you hold on to nothing too low. Just take what you need from the ladies and you leave them the words of a sad country song. The heroes have always been cowboys. They still are, it seems. Sadly in search of and one stepping back of themselves and their slow-moving dreams. Cowboys are special with their own brand of misery and being alone too long. They could die from the cold in the arms of a nightmare, knowing well your best days are gone. Picking up hookers instead of my pen, I let the words by you fade away. All worn out shadows and all worn out memories with no one, no place to stay. The heroes have always been cowboys. They still are, it seems. Sadly in search of it, one stepping back of themselves and their slow-moving dreams. Sadly in search of and one stepping back of themselves and their slow-moving dreams. Sadly in search of and one stepping back of themselves and their slow-moving dreams. Alright, that was for Willie. Love you, man.